So this happened. So I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you how I fix them. And how you can too.
Dadskillz.
So we're lucky with this one. It's not in the sidewall or anything. It's in the main tread of the tyre. So I'm going to take the wheel off. Now, if I was close to my compressor, then I wouldn't even need to take the wheel off to do this. But as I've got no access to it at the moment, I'm going to take the whole wheel off and then I'll show you the whole process. So just going to crack the wheel nuts off. Just going to crack them off while it's on the ground. Right, now they're all cracked, we're going to lift the van up. Just make sure, if you've never done this before, you find the correct jacking point. And if you don't know where it is, look in the handbook, it'll be in there somewhere. So we're up in the air, we're going to take the wheel nuts off now that we cracked off before. So we got the wheel off, and there's the offending screw. So we're going to get this bad boy out, and unscrew it. And so here's my kit I've got. This is on Amazon at the moment. It's about 10 to 15 quid, something like that. Going to get out this little tool here. This is like a riving tool. Now we're totally going to knacker the tyre. So we've got to fix it now. So we'll put that in, rive it about a bit, open the hole up a touch just for our next tool to go in. I've fixed about, this will be the 5th tyre now I've had a puncture in. I've saved myself a fortune, I think. So now we've got this needle type tool, and we've got these little bitumen sticky jelly things that look like licorice. So we're going to thread one of those through with this needle device. So we're going to push it in. Push them in halfway or so. Then we're going to pull our tool out, and that little sticky thing stays in there. Cut off our little tails that with this knife that was provided in the kit as well. There we go. Right, puncture's fixed, so now we just need a bit of air in it. So we've popped down to the compressor, put a bit of air in. If you don't know what PSI you need, go back to your manufacturer, go back to the handbook. Job done, stick the wheel on. Do them up tight as you can. And then you're going to put it down, you're going to tighten them up again, just to make sure. Pop the old hubcap on. Job's a good one. We've saved ourselves another 30 quid. See you later.
Dadskillz.